Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can get FPS unlocker on the Roblox. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. First you want to search for FPS unlocker Roblox. So just search for FPS unlocker Roblox like this. And once you search for it, the first option where it says github.com, click on it. It is basically a set of code which you need to download and install. And it's going to look like this. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to start to download. Now the download speed depends on your Wi-Fi, so just wait for some time if your Wi-Fi is slow. Once the download is complete, you can just click on it, and this is basically what Roblox, FPS unlocker it's going to look like. Double click on it and it's going to start running just like this. Wait for some time, and once the black box closes, also known as the command prompt, once it closes, your FPS unlocker for Roblox should be available over here. Now what you can do is right click on it and it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, make sure the first option where it says unlock Roblox player, this is tick marked. Once this is tick marked, you're good to go. You can open Roblox and your FPS should be boosted. And you can also do this. You can choose FPS cap. So if your PC lags a bit when you go high FPS, you can click on 30 FPS. Now my FPS in Roblox is not going to go above 30. Now if I want a lot of FPS, I can just go on 360 and my FPS is going to be 360 and below 360. Okay, so yeah, that is basically how you guys can get FPS unlocker for Roblox in your PC. This is not available for your mobile phone, only for your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time in my future video.